Hey everybody, it's Frankie-Lou. I'm coming to you from the greenhouse in the sky where I'm taking down a whole bunch of the old growths from the summer season. It was a really successful season here. I'm a huge fan of permaculture practices and we're trying to use a lot of those in here. One of the things that we do like to do, and I've found very successful in the past in my other gardens and greenhouses, is reusing a lot of the dry materials as mulch. And I'm going to show you some compost tea that we're going to do later. I'll do a video on that. But first, before I start doing that and preparing compost tea and preparing compost and making mulch, I am going to take down all my powdery mildew. This is something I do not want to go back into the soil. So that's the stuff here. You can see that this actually, while the plant is still producing, this is something that I don't want to encourage to remain in the soil and in the environment here in the greenhouse. So I'm actually going to burn it. If we come over here, those of you who follow may have seen the epic battle between Seymour and Sutherland. This is all the vegetation that's left from them now. I gathered up all the dried materials from Seymour and Sutherland, our two spaghetti squash, after they produced that 120 pounds of fruit, and I've kept it here, and today I'm going to go burn it as well. And I'm also going to cut down any of the other powdery mildew that I have in the greenhouse here and burn it, okay? It's just not a good idea to keep that pathogen in my soil. So I'm taking out, and anything else, also anything that I notice that's kind of moldy, or I'm like, oh, I don't know what that is, I'm gonna burn as well. I'm not gonna put it into my regular compost, or my mulch, or my compost tea. So let's see how much Seymour and Sutherland go up in flames, because they certainly do deserve that Viking funeral after all the hard work they did for me this year. Well, that went up real good. That didn't take long. I still got a little bit more to do here. I think that's an appropriate end to these wonderful squash that did such an amazing job for us in the greenhouse this year. It's kind of fun too. Be sure to stay tuned to see more of the stuff that's going to be happening here over the winter in our geothermal greenhouse in the sky. And as always, I hope you'll take this chance to grow together today. Have a good one.